Hi, my name is Sean Lamoth. I'm the operations manager here at Hannah's Property Maintenance. We do obviously property maintenance here out in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. We clear a lot of snow, so before we had these snow rhinos, there was a lot of shoveling involved. It's hard on the back. It's hard on the head sometimes too, because you're out there sometimes for however many hours. If it keeps snowing, you're still out there working, right? If you're saving your back a lot of grief by using one of these snow rhinos though, saves your mind, saves your back, and saves time at the end of the day too. You can't complain about that. We do property maintenance, so in the wintertime, snow removal, clearing snow off of walkways at apartment buildings, commercial complexes and such. Well, we used to do a lot of shoveling. It was very manual and hard on your back because you'd shovel everything on the walkways that we do and then go through with a snowblower, and then you got to shovel it again to make sure that it's clean. By the end of the night, that takes a toll on your back. It's hard on your head. But with the rhinos, you're able to push as much snow as you want. It scrapes beautifully. You can climb curbs. There isn't much you can't do with the thing. It's just a huge time saver and a back saver too. We got 2 rhinos now, and it's a game changer for sure. We are able to have 2 crews out, each with a snow rhino. It's a game changer for sure.